पाकिस्तान को भारत के हक का पानी नहीं मिलेगा।
तुम हमारा पानी बंद कर दोगे, हम तुम्हारा सांस बंद कर देंगे।
I've drowned and dreamt this moment, so overdue. I owe it. Swept away, I'm Let the sky fall.
Sindor, Indian jets fired missiles into Pakistan from far away without crossing the border. That means the Indian jets were high and exposed. Their full focus was likely on guiding their own missiles, not watching for incoming threats. At that moment, Pakistan's J-10Cs might have been silently tracking them using AWACS support or passive sensors. The J-10Cs didn't turn on their radar. Instead, they got targeting data from ground radars or AWACS. They released the PL-15 from a long distance without activating its radar seeker. Since the Rafales weren't expecting an ambush, the missile flew undetected until it got close. The PL-15 gave off a very low radar signature when its own radar seeker was off. So when it got closer, it activated its radar in the terminal phase, 30 to 50 kilometer distance from the target, giving the Rafale very little reaction time. In that short window, Spectra may not have reacted quickly enough, or it may have misjudged the threat. Also, Spectra's brain, the threat database, needs to be regularly updated. If it encounters a new missile or radar system that isn't in its library, it might misjudge the threat or react too slowly. So even this advanced system can mess up if it's surprised by something unfamiliar. With multiple radars, both friendly and hostile, active during combat, the resulting radar noise could overwhelm systems like Spectra. This could lead to delays in response, or even a failure to detect an incoming missile until it was too late. Most importantly, the pilot's skill cannot be ignored at all. Even elite jets can fall victim to human error if the pilot fails to react in time. So yes, even a beast like the Rafale can be brought down if the circumstances are just right, or wrong, depending on perspective. The Rafale is undoubtedly a formidable fighter, and its Spectra provides exceptional protection. But no system is flawless. In war, surprise, timing, and tactics can sometimes overcome even the most advanced technology. Until either side gives hard evidence, the truth remains in a cloud of fog. But one thing's clear. If Pakistan really did pull this off, it was a textbook BVR kill. A rare but possible feat, even against elite jets like Rafale.
मोदी जी पर्सनली मुझे मिल जाएं तो मैं पूछूंगा कि तुम इतना झूठ बोल कैसे पाते हो, और इतना झूठ आंखों में आंखें डाल के झूठ बोलने की जो कला है इस देश में वकीलों के पास भी नहीं है। मोदी जी वकील होते तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल वकील बनते, लेकिन अफसोस वकील बनने के लिए भी पढ़ना पड़ता।